Let's jump right into this explainer. We're unpacking some truly fascinating source materials today that detail a pretty groundbreaking pitch. Imagine taking two absolutely massive industries, global lotteries and AI automation, and just smashing them together. The documents we're looking at claim this next-generation tech could completely wipe out the friction we usually see in traditional affiliate marketing.
So the central premise here asks a really bold question. What if an AI could literally build passive income for you while you're fast asleep? I know, it sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. But according to the pitch presented in these materials, the technological framework to do exactly that has already been put in front of investors, and it all kicks off with a massive, untapped global market.
Okay, let's break this down by looking at the old versus the new. Think about the traditional offline lottery industry. We're talking about a $380 billion giant that's been stuck in its ways for decades. You know the drill. Cash only, standing in long lines at the corner store, and you're totally restricted to whatever local games are available. But the sources present a massive digital disruption called Play Lotto Global, or PLG for short. This is pitched as a totally online mobile-first experience. It gives players access to 18 of the biggest international jackpots on Earth, like the US Powerball and Mega Millions, literally no matter where they live.
To really grasp the sheer scale of this pitch, you just need to look at one number, 5.8 billion. That is the staggering amount of people globally who are already online, hanging out on social media, and here's the key, who already know exactly what a lottery is. You don't have to explain the concept to them at all. The creators are pitching this as an instant, pre-educated global market that's totally ready for digital access.
And that leads us straight to the financial engine of PLG. In a recorded strategy session we reviewed between the founders and investors, they summed up their affiliate model with this exact phrase: no involvement, no cost, no risk. If you want to become an affiliate and grab a slice of this global market, the sources emphasize that it requires absolutely zero upfront money. It is literally completely free to join.
The beauty of this PLG affiliate engine is how incredibly simple they make it sound, breaking it down into just 3 steps. Step 1, you grab a free personalized QR code. Step 2, you share that code globally across your networks. And Step 3, you earn a 10% commission on every single dollar spent by anyone who plays using your link. Because the word lotto is universally understood, the pitch insists you'll never have to make an awkward sales pitch or explain what the product actually is.
The source audio actually shares a really relatable story to drive this home. They talk about a hypothetical scenario involving a broke waitress in Brazil who's making maybe $200 a month. By simply grabbing her free PLG QR code and sharing it online, people way outside her social circle, even outside her country, can start playing. Suddenly, this waitress is generating a massive residual income in US dollars, and she never even had to buy a single lottery ticket herself.
The pitch deck maps out just how financially scalable this model claims to be. Look at the first scenario. If you reach 10,000 customers and they spend just a really modest $10 a month on tickets, that generates $100,000 in gross revenue. That yields a projected $10,000 a month in commissions for you. But jump down to the third scenario. If you scale that up to 1 million customers doing the exact same thing, the claim is you're suddenly generating $1 million a month in residual income. They pitch it as infinitely scalable simply because it's 100% digital.
Section 1. The PWE Automatic Trading System.
In the audio recordings, we hear a developer named Howard introduce something called the Paquan code. This is described as a proprietary algorithmic black box that's built right into Wall Street-level Forex trading systems. According to the source material, this automatic trading system runs continuously, constantly identifying market trends to generate what they call wins after wins in auto trading.
But here is the absolute crucial point of this entire ecosystem. It's what the materials call its dual power. The PWE system isn't just sitting there making automatic trading profits. The audio reveals its true pitched purpose. It is actually programmed to actively promote the PLG concept for you. So while it's creating those auto trading wins, the system automatically markets the PLG lottery link. It's building an additional residual income stream for you, and it requires absolutely zero work whatsoever.
Section 2. The Macro Scale, PW Claw and Satellite Networks.
So how do they actually pull this off globally? The source documents show illustrations of something called quantum antenna pixels. They describe this tech as acting almost like an electromagnetic prism, routing proprietary signals over massive distances.
It represents the hardware foundation that supposedly makes global, non-line-of-sight digital distribution possible, totally bypassing traditional, restricted internet channels.
And this hardware is what powers a network the sources call the PWE claw. They describe it as an expansion initiative utilizing 10 to the 26th power exponential satellite traffic. Basically, in plain English, it's pitched as a network that can blast these proprietary signals and PLG opportunities directly to smartphones worldwide. We're talking about an unimaginable scale here, completely independent of your own personal network.
To bring this all back down to earth, the source audio actually sums up this automation perfectly. They say, Mr. Bot, go out there, go find the person, and when they somehow recognize the word Lotto, we're done. That right there is the ultimate pitch. Zero work whatsoever. The claim is that the satellite network and the AI bots handle all the distribution and marketing. Because the product is just Lotto, the AI doesn't need to convince anyone of anything. It literally just presents the link.
Now, the climax of this pitch is absolutely wild. The scaling sequence outlined in the sources claims that once these PWE AI agents are deployed, they don't just look for human customers. They are actually programmed to recruit other AI agents globally. And then, those recruited AI agents turn around and explain the PLG sign-up process to their own human owners. It's pitched as this massive, cascading web where robots are essentially building a downline affiliate network into the millions for you, completely automatically.
So, the ultimate message being sent to prospects here is simple. Zero meetings, zero promotion, pure automation. Because the AI is out there recruiting other agents, and those agents are marketing the universally understood concept of Lotto, the sources insist that affiliates are completely removed from the usual friction of traditional sales.
To wrap this all up, the executive summary of the PWE coin and PLG pitch is incredibly ambitious. They're claiming you have an ecosystem that is completely free to join, operates on AI-driven satellite scale, delivers automatic Forex trading wins, and taps into a massive global lottery demand. It's pitched from the ground up as a system designed for maximum residual income with literally minimum human intervention.
Which leaves us with one final, pretty provocative thought to chew on. If the creators of these documents truly have PWE AI agents out there right now, recruiting other bots and building massive residual wealth networks while people sleep, will this actually disrupt global affiliate marketing forever, or is it simply a futuristic fantasy? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this deep dive into the source material sparked your curiosity. Until next time.